No, with the case with Yvonne, I think Detective Dyke told me that the walking stick handle I gave him, that did match up to the wounds on her head.
No, well, we've got nothing, like blunt force trauma, we don't have anything, it's not exact.
Yeah, but the very unique markings on the roe deer antler, and so I was told it was consistent with the wounds on her head.
I don't know about that. I don't think that was given out as being that was the murder weapon.
Why not? Because I'm pretty sure that's what he used to beat her with.
Well, there would have to be some DNA or something like that on the walking stick to give conclusive evidence of that. Right?
Yeah, but on the grounds of probability, the very unique markings on the walking stick certainly would have matched up to some of the wounds on her head.
Yeah, that would have. We don't have the availability of testing for certain impressions and stuff like that other than on the skull, which would have modified the original.
He just said he did not have the ability to check for certain impressions on the skull.
We don't have the availability of testing for certain impressions and stuff like that other than on the skull, which would have modified the original damage caused by the instrument, right?
Were pictures taken of her wounds or anything like that, and measurements taken?
Usually when they get into stuff like that, they're getting into texture and small little things that we would lose now, right?
So they didn't do that at the time then?
He said no. I asked if they did that at the time, and he said no. It has been. I was told that the murder weapon that I gave you did match up to the wounds on Yvonne's head, which is a roe deer antler.
I don't think it matched up exactly. Don't forget though, if you got something with blunt force trauma and it's rounded in any way or whatever, unless there's a specific marking on that instrument that can directly relate it to, you could say, yeah, okay, it could have been a stapler, or it could have been this, it could have been a cell phone that's got this thing. But to say it's that exact one, there would have to be something identifiable to it.
There are certainly a lot of marks,
directly identifiable to the antler, the cane thing.
But then somebody else told me there just wasn't a proper autopsy done on her head to match it up.